it's finally time to learn about stablecoins. And here on the right, we have a few examples of stablecoins. We have US dollar Tether that we have been talking about. We have the US dollar USDC, which is right here. And here we have another example of a stablecoin called DAI. But first and foremost, what is the definition of stablecoins? Well, you can think about stablecoins as the crypto version of a fiat currency. And fiat currencies are basically the normal type of money, for example, US dollar, euro, or here in Sweden we have the Swedish crown, the Swedish krona. So many times, different countries will have different fiat currencies, and stablecoins is basically, you can think about it as a crypto version of a fiat currency. And one important thing about stablecoins is the backing. And what do we mean by this? Well, stablecoins are backed by quote unquote stable assets like, for example, the US dollar. And what do we mean by backing? Well, if a stablecoin is backed by, for example, the US dollar, the value of that stablecoin should be equal to $1 US. So basically the goal of the stablecoins is to follow a fiat currency, and most of the times this will be the US dollar, because the US dollar is basically the world fiat currency. It's the most important fiat currency in the world. The whole world pretty much depends on US dollar right now. So the goal of stablecoins is to, as closely as possible, follow the price of $1 US. So for example, right here we're looking at Tether, and you can see that the price of 1 USDT, you can look right here, this is USDT measured in dollar, and you can see that the price here should be very close to $1. You can see right now the Tether is $0.99974. But what you can see here, if you look at the chart, is that $1 is the line right here. And you can see that the price will should hover very close to this line. You can see the price, moves very close to the line. Sometimes it's below, sometimes it's above. But the goal here is that the Tether should follow or be as close as $1 as possible. But now then, what is the purpose of stablecoins? Well, we have a few different purposes here. The first purpose is to make it easier to trade crypto without having to convert your cryptocurrency to fiat. So when you have a stablecoin like Tether, instead of always having to sell your cryptocurrencies to buy fiat like US dollar, you can instead sell your cryptocurrency to buy Tether. So by using stablecoins, you can basically have something that is worth the same as $1 US without leaving the crypto system. Another purpose here is that it provides a stable value in a volatile crypto market. So as you guys know, and as you guys saw when I showed Bitcoin is down like 10% today. So having the ability to quickly exit cryptocurrencies and buy Tether is a way to be able to exit the crypto market without actually having to buy your fiat currency like US dollar or euro. And stablecoins are very useful for, trading, saving, and transferring money without having to worry about price swings. So let's say you wanna sell Bitcoin and then move into something else. Instead of having to buy that thing directly and perhaps lose money to spreads or other fees, you can sell it for a stablecoin where you don't really have to worry about the price swings, which always happens in the crypto markets. And last but not least, some examples of stablecoins are USDT and USDC. This video was just a short clip from our full crypto trading course. To watch the full course, simply click or tap on the screen right here. I hope to see you guys over there, but for now, take care. Ciao, ciao.